Imagine with me, it's your first time at Kentucky Kingdom. You're not a coaster enthusiast, but you have heard that this park has a good collection of rides and are excited to check out the best attraction. You walk right by Lightning Run, looks too small. Keep walking right past Thunder Run and Kentucky Flyer. I mean, their wooden roller coasters are probably not that safe anyways, right? You heard that there's this hybrid roller coaster in the back of the park, but that sounds so far away and doesn't look as cool as the real main attraction, T3. There it is, standing in all its glory. T3 looks like a giant tangled mesh of dark red track. You're so excited as you walk right into the line. You wait what feels like forever to snag a front row ride. Finally, the moment has come. It's no secret that T3 is amongst the most hated roller coasters in the coaster community. T3 has built up a reputation of being so bad that it's good. Kind of like a train wreck, it's terrible, but you just can't look away. If we step out of the coaster community, we get a completely different perspective. The ride is a GP magnet, which is rather surprising. I mean, I'm sure it's because it's a suspended coaster with a spaghetti bowl of track makes it look appealing. All I know is last year, we took my sister-in-law with us to Kentucky Kingdom, and she is no coaster enthusiast, and I asked her what roller coaster she was most interested in riding. She picked T3. Not Storm Chaser, not Lightning Run, and heck, not Thunder Run or, Kentucky Flyer. No, she went with T3. So why do coaster nerds hate this ride? Well, I think it boils down to two aspects. Number one, it's a Vekoma SLC. T3 is a Vekoma SLC 662M prototype to be exact, meaning that this is a cloned roller coaster. T3 is one of the originals, thus being called a prototype, but it's extremely similar to all the other models in operation. The ride stands 102 feet, has 2,172 feet of track, 5 inversions with a max speed of 50 miles per hour, or to be exact, 49.7 miles per hour. There are well over 30 cloned SLCs in operation around the world, so yeah, those who are looking for new, different credits will be disappointed every time that they stumble by a cloned attraction. Even if this coaster has some slight modifications, like being a touch taller or have that additional helix, it's still the same terrible ride we all know. Number 2, it's rough. T3 is not a comfortable ride. Basically, well, no Vekoma SLC is a comfortable ride. Now, I guess Great Nor'Easter at Maury's Piers is the exception, but these models are known to be uncomfortable, rattly, and even have that weird shimmy thing by shaking you forward and backwards. T3 is also one of a kind by receiving new trains that were supposed to provide a more comfortable ride, but somehow made it worse. T3 has these weird vest restraints. It's basically a lap bar, but with this strange shoulder strap. The restraints continue to ratchet tighter against the body during the whole ride, pulverizing your thighs. Honestly, I thought that these restraints were worse than the ones on Skyrush. Sure, it got rid of the headbanging, which honestly I never thought it was too bad, and replaced it with this. So, in conclusion, T3 is a bad ride. There's no way around it. Even the park acknowledges it through their hilarious social media posts. I know that some will clamor for a complete retracking like Great Nor'Easter, but I can't help but think it would be simply cheaper or just the wiser move to tear down and rebuild an entire new roller coaster in its stead. So, instead of retheming it to T4, let's make it T0 and shut this ride down for good.
It is so bad, I want to give you a 0.
Well, that concludes another bad coaster review. This one was rather short because, I mean, really, what else can I say about T3? It's not a good ride. I see 0 redeeming qualities with this coaster. If you enjoyed this video, please click on the like button, hit subscribe, that way you continue to get more great content brought to you by Extreme Thrills.